How do you say mum in Spanish? The word mum in Spanish is mamá, mamá, or more formally, madre, madre, which can be mum or mother. Mi madre es muy amable. Mi madre es muy amable. My mum is very kind. Quiero llamar a mi mamá. Quiero llamar a mi mamá. I want to call my mum. ¿Dónde está tu madre? ¿Dónde está tu madre? Where is your mum? Mamá has an accent on the last A, and it's a familiar, affectionate word, mamá. Madre is more formal, used in writing or official contexts. Kids often also say mami, mami, especially when they're little. It's sort of like mummy, mami. Mi madre trabaja en una escuela. Mi madre trabaja en una escuela. My mother works in a school. Voy al mercado con mi mamá. Voy al mercado con mi mamá. I'm going to the market with my mum. Feliz Día de la Madre. Feliz Día de la Madre. Happy Mother's Day. Mamá, ¿puedes ayudarme? Mamá, ¿puedes ayudarme? Mum, can you help me? So if you want to say mum in Spanish, you can say mamá or madre. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3 Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME at checkout, you can get a discount. Gracias.